What's up, Curls crew? It's your girl K Curls coming at you with another video. Well, today I am going to be showing you guys this natural look. So if you would like to see it, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are starting with our eyebrows already done. I will leave a link down in the description box with the two videos for where I show me doing my eyebrows. But first we are going to start with our Kiss New York Max Coverage Stick Concealer. It is the beige color for my skin, and I am going to just apply that all over my face. Okay, I am just going to grab a wet blender brush, and I apologize, I did wet my brushes off camera, so you can't actually see that it's wet right here, but I am blending that in with a wet makeup brush. Grab a concealer so that I can apply a light base to my eyelids so I can prepare them for the eyeshadow. Next, I am going to be taking my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream, and I'm also going to be taking some under eye cream, and I'm just going to start applying that to my face just to highlight some of the areas that I like to highlight so that it blends in a little bit better with my foundation. And then of course, yes, we are blending. Now I did actually have that brush, and I didn't realize that this one was actually dry. So I did have to switch that out. You will see me do that in a moment to a wet brush so that I can blend that in the right way, because that brush did absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. But as you can see, this one did an amazing job at blending all of that together. Okay guys, so next I am going to be taking my ColorCO All of the Lights Pressed Pigment Palette. It is $5 from Five Below, and the color that I used there was Spotlight. So I am just going to move on and apply that to my eyelids. Okay guys, so next I am just grabbing a black eyeliner pencil. It is from LA Colors, and I'm just underlining the base of my eyes. Okay guys, so next I am just going to be taking some lip liner and then also some lipstick. It's from Profusion, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. It is a matte color. Next, I'm using my Smoke and Mirrors mascara, and I am going to be using, I cannot remember whether that is my L'Oreal or Covergirl, and either one, you can just add that. I add the first one and then I put a second one over the top of it. It just elongates it and makes it look a lot fuller without having to go through putting on lashes. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It will turn gray when you are subscribed. As always, thanks so much for watching. Bye.